Hi everybody, it's FIBO Group, and you are watching to the Market Watch Review. The Japanese and Chinese stocks were lower than the Japanese, but other large regional markets, including South Korea and Taiwan, increased. Stoxx 600 in Europe is down 0.4% as a three-day rally of nearly 3.5% stalls. The U.S. equity futures are slightly mixed. The greenback trades with a stronger bias against G10 currencies, while emerging market currencies are more mixed. Central European currencies suffer 0.6 to 0.8% losses, as does the Chinese Yuan. The range of $1,660 to $1,670 is the most common for gold consolidation. December WTI hovers around $1.88 after yesterday's 3% rally. Last week, it settled closer to $1.85. Asian Pacific market. Few observers believe that Bank of Japan intervention has much chance of success. Tomorrow's BOJ meeting will be over. It is unlikely that it will change its stance. Separately, Japan's government will likely announce a new spending plan. In particular, the subsidies will be lower than CPI in the first half of next year. The dollar dropped to JPY 145.10 almost 3 weeks after hitting a high of 152.00 last Friday. It could see its first three-day drop since July. Yesterday, the Reserve Bank of Australia reported that inflation rose to 7.3% in the third quarter. The trimmed mean jumped to 6.1%. The implications of yesterday's report on the November 1 RBA meeting are still being pondered by the market. Yesterday's gains by the Australian dollar were extended to $0.6520, which was its highest level since October 6. It has also stalled and is currently at session lows in Europe. Market of Europe. Widely expected, the ECB will announce a 75 BP increase today. ECB President Lagarde cannot offer a positive outlook on the economy. The UK government's fiscal statement has been delayed from October 31 to November 17. It is unlikely that the content will change. The content will include spending cuts. The euro fell to $0.9700 last Friday. It was almost at 1.0095 earlier today. Today, sterling is experiencing similar price movements. It reached a new marginal high of $1.1645 before it lost its momentum and pulled back to 1.1555. Market of America. Today, the U.S. releases its third quarter GDP estimate. Bloomberg's survey suggests a 2.4% annualized increase. The Bank of Canada shocked the market by increasing its benchmark rate to 50 BP instead of 75. The Bank of Canada has updated its forecasts and reduced the growth rate for the third quarter to 1.5% from 2.0%. It projects that the economy will slow to 0.5% in quarter four. Yesterday's initial sell-off saw the Canadian dollar settle at CAD 1.3555, its highest level since October 4. The US dollar trades within yesterday's range today. That's all for me. Closely monitor the news background and be prepared for all the surprises of the market.